Few creatures represent their continent as well as kangaroos, which are recognized worldwide as symbols of Australia. Despite their widespread recognition, kangaroos are frequently misinterpreted both domestically and overseas. They are generally despised by farmers, particularly since they trespass into pastures and eat livestock feed. Of course, these creatures have a lot of positive qualities as well, which balance out their undesirable traits. Macropodidae, sometimes referred to as the kangaroo, has an average lifespan of 8 years in the wild and 25 years in captivity. In this video, some astonishing kangaroo facts will be revealed to you. Before we proceed, kindly return the favor and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and activate the bell notification feature to stay up to speed with new video publications. Let's first look at their amazing jumping abilities. You see, kangaroos are comparable to the high jump champions of the animal kingdom, capable of leaping over obstacles with a force that would leave Olympic athletes in awe. Without breaking a sweat, they can leap 3 times as high as they are. Some people can hop 25 feet. Kangaroos can cover great distances while searching for food in arid Australia by hopping, which saves them energy. They typically move along at a leisurely pace, although they can sprint if necessary. A red kangaroo can leap 6 feet off the ground while moving at 35 miles per hour and cover 25 feet in one go. But this is where things start to really get mind-puzzling. It is possible for kangaroos to conserve energy while hopping around like cosmic acrobats thanks to their incredibly bizarre bodily biology. Their amazing tendons, you see, work like incredibly effective springs, holding energy as they land and releasing it when they take off. It's like having legs that have built-in pogo sticks. Think about the opportunities that would arise if humans possess such abilities. It would be much more enjoyable to commute to work. However, the absurdity doesn't end there. Kangaroos literally have another trick up their sleeves. You see, these marsupials have an astonishingly unusual reproductive system. Kangaroo females have a pouch that functions as an internal nursery where their immature joeys can develop and thrive. Think about it. Wouldn't it be convenient if people could have a portable nursery for their babies? Just picture yourself going about your regular activities while managing many tasks while carrying a baby safely in your front pocket. But let's not overlook the guys. Male kangaroos have impressively muscular shoulders and arms, making them the bodybuilders of the marsupial world. They're prepared to engage in friendly boxing fights with their opponents while flexing their biceps. Furthermore, did you know that kangaroos are skilled nibblers? They have a specially designed digestive system that draws every last bit of nourishment from the vegetation they eat. It's like having a fine dining establishment inside of their tummies. It is not surprising that they can survive and even thrive in some of the harshest settings on Earth. Do you know the largest marsupials on Earth are kangaroos? Oh yeah, the biggest marsupials still living are kangaroos. The red kangaroo, which may grow to be more than 5 feet tall without its 3-foot tail and weigh 180 pounds, is the largest species of kangaroo by weight. Eastern gray kangaroos can grow to be nearly 7 feet tall as adults, but they are also smaller and lighter, weighing only up to 120 pounds. The 3 most prevalent species of kangaroos are red, eastern gray, and western gray. They come in a variety of sizes and shapes. Kangaroos are classified under the Macropus genus, which is Greek for large foot. Several smaller but similarly shaped species also belong to that genus, albeit it is difficult to tell them apart. Wallabies are the genus's tiniest members, and wallaroos are the name for species that fall somewhere in between. Although it is typically only used to refer to the 4 largest of these animals, the red, eastern gray, western gray, and antilopine kangaroos, the name kangaroo is occasionally used to refer to any of these creatures generically. It is also used to refer to tree kangaroos, which are classified under a distinct genus, but are part of the macropods, a larger taxonomic family that includes kangaroos, wallaroos, wallabies, tree kangaroos, paedomelons, and quokkas. Even smaller marsupials known as rat kangaroos, which are not members of the macropod family, resemble their much bigger relatives. Kangaroos are also interestingly left-handed. The propensity to use one hand more naturally than the other is known as handedness, and it is present in humans and some other primates. Once considered a unique trait of monkey evolution, handedness is now believed to be widespread in kangaroos as well, according to more recent study. The majority of the time, red kangaroos, eastern greys, and red-necked wallabies use their left hand for activities like eating and grooming, according to study with these animals. Kangaroos often use their left hand for precision while utilizing their right hand for power, suggesting that their hands may be specialized for various tasks. According to researchers, this casts doubt on the notion that handedness only occurs in primates and suggests that it may actually be a bipedal adaptation. Together, kangaroos are referred to as a mob. They move and eat in gangs known as soldiers, herds, or mobs. In the mating season, males may kick, box, or even bite each other in an effort to win the attention of females, although the largest male in the group usually rules the group. Female kangaroos are referred to as does, flyers, or jills, whereas males are referred to as bucks, woomers, or jacks. They use their tails as a fifth leg, which may seem odd. Kangaroos frequently use their tail as a fifth leg while moving slowly through smaller places. Red kangaroos have large, powerful tails that can generate as much propulsion force as their front and rear legs combine, according to research. However, a kangaroo typically skips the tail and begins hopping when it has to move more than roughly 15 feet. They occasionally drown their adversaries. Kangaroos in Australia don't have many natural predators. However, a few creatures are known to prey on kangaroos, usually picking on joeys or adults of smaller species. These predators include dingoes as well as exotic animals like dogs, cats, and red foxes. When a kangaroo is being pursued by a predator, it frequently runs towards the water. Given that kangaroos are remarkably adept swimmers, again, thanks to that enormous tail, this could just be an escape plan. However, there are times when the prey may be luring the hunter into a trap. A kangaroo will occasionally turn around and confront the predator after it is chest deep in the water, grasping it with its forelimbs and attempting to drown it. Joeys may be sacrificed to predators by some. For smaller kangaroos and other macropod animals like wallabies, wallaroos, and quokkas, fighting back against predators may be less plausible. When a predator is pursuing them, other macropods have been observed dropping their joeys and running away. According to researchers, this is a behavioral response rather than an accident given the muscle control that female quokkas have over the pouch opening. Both swamp wallabies and gray kangaroos have shown this behavior. Although it may seem absurd to humans, researchers contend that it could be a technique for adaptive survival. When their lives are in danger, kangaroo moms can generate offspring more quickly than humans can, so sacrificing one joey may seem reasonable to them. And now, let us hear from you in the comment section below. Keep in mind that more videos will be up soon, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell in order to stay up to date with new video uploads. Also, sharing indicates you want to see our content reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.